Hi! In front of me is VIVO V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Now click on Videos or Audio section. Whichever one you choose, you need to tap on your file that you wish to add. I will go with Custom Ringtone and tap on this message. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, audio file was successfully added to my message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!